Welcome to A Car Chaser. The Cadillac Eldorado was first introduced in 1953 as a limited edition convertible, and it immediately captured the world's attention. It wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of prestige. With its elegant design, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched comfort, the Eldorado became a rolling masterpiece. Over the years, the Eldorado evolved, embodying the spirit of each decade. In the 1950s, it was the epitome of post-war optimism with its chrome accents and fins that seemed to reach for the sky. The 1967 model marked the arrival of front-wheel drive, a groundbreaking feature that redefined the luxury car market through the 1980s and 1990s. The Eldorado adapted to changing tastes but always retained its distinct Cadillac DNA. It stayed a favorite among those who valued style, comfort, and performance, all in one iconic package. Step inside an Eldorado, and you're greeted by an interior designed to impress. Early models featured hand-stitched leather seats, polished metal accents, and real wood trim, exuding sophistication. The dash was a work of art, with its streamlined design, classic analog gauges, and chrome details that mirrored the car's exterior elegance. In the 1970s, the Eldorado's interior took luxury to the next level. Think thick, plush carpeting, power-adjustable seats with pillow-like cushioning, and a dashboard loaded with advanced controls for its time. The 1976 convertible model even offered an 8-track player and a power soft top, making it the ultimate choice for open-road luxury. Sadly, 2002 marked the end of the Eldorado's production, but its legacy lives on. The Eldorado remains a symbol of Cadillac's golden era, a car that combined art and engineering like few others could. Whether you're a fan of classic American cars or just love timeless automotive design, the Cadillac Eldorado is a car worth celebrating. Its blend of elegance, innovation, and history has cemented its place as one of the greatest cars of all. So you enjoyed this journey through the Cadillac Eldorado's legacy? Make sure to subscribe to A Car Chaser for more deep dives into automotive icons. Let me know your favorite Eldorado model in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.